According to the theory of relativity, it is impossible for any object with mass to reach or exceed the speed of light in a vacuum. However, let's assume hypothetically that you are traveling at the speed of light. If you were somehow able to achieve the speed of light and then suddenly stop, it would violate the laws of physics as we understand them. At the speed of light, time dilation occurs, which means that time slows down for the object in motion relative to a stationary observer. From the perspective of an observer, if you were traveling at the speed of light and suddenly stopped, it would imply that you went from moving at the fastest possible speed to being at rest instantaneously. This would contradict the principles of causality and conservation of energy. Furthermore, as an object with mass approaches the speed of light, its relativistic mass increases towards infinity. The amount of energy required to accelerate an object with mass becomes infinite as it approaches the speed of light. So, it is not possible to reach or exceed the speed of light, let alone stop suddenly at that speed. In summary, stopping suddenly at the speed of light is not a physically possible scenario according to our current understanding of physics.